Introduce highlight features or overview summary of IZCUZK bike phone holder for handlebar, motorcycle phone mount. There are features include secure anti-shake hold for every ride. Keep your phone firmly in place with this bike phone holder featuring a shock-absorbing structure and secure side grips. Designed to reduce vibration on bumpy roads, this motorcycle phone mount helps keep your screen stable and easy to view while riding. Shock-absorbing protection with full side support. Built with soft silicone contact pads and reinforced side arms, this phone mount for bike helps protect your phone from scratches, slipping, and road vibration. The all-around grip design offers extra stability for city rides, mountain biking, and motorcycle commuting. Fits 4.7 to 7.2-inch smartphones. This bike phone mount is compatible with most smartphones from 4.7 to 7.2 inches, including devices with slim or medium protective cases. Ideal for iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, and other popular models. 360 degrees adjustable viewing angle. The flexible ball joint design allows full 360-degree rotation, so you can easily switch between portrait and landscape view. Perfect for GPS navigation, calls, fitness tracking, or music control while riding. Quick installation for bike and motorcycle handlebars. This handlebar phone mount installs in minutes with an easy-to-tighten clamp knob. Suitable for bicycles, motorcycles, scooters, electric bikes, and indoor bikes, making it a versatile solution for daily commuting and outdoor adventures. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases. Update all day YouTube channel to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.